This is a 1974 Poptop Westfalia camper bus, and it's available. It's for sale, and it'll be online very soon. If you're interested, please send me a message, and we can talk more, send more photos, more video. Very clean camper bus. Has a rebuilt motor, rebuilt transmission, new tires, new window seals, many things. A quick look at the motor, new carburetor as well, or carburetors. A 1974 Poptop Westfalia bus, available now. Send messages with any questions. This one is for sale. It has a rebuilt motor, rebuilt transmission, freshly done interior, new tent seals, new window seals, new tires, all new brake system, completely rebuilt motor, new carburetors. Ready to go. What's up, everyone? I'm driving the 1974 Poptop Westie. It is finally done. It will be online very soon. I'll start sharing multiple photos and video on Instagram, as well as TikTok, make some YouTube videos. Running really nice, moving along. So stay tuned, guys. You don't want to miss this one. Rebuilt transmission, rebuilt brakes, actually all new brakes, rebuilt motor, new tires, new tent, new window seals, fresh upholstery, the usual stuff that a rehab bus gets. This one got it all, plus the bonuses. The transmission's also rebuilt, and all new brakes. Some of them don't get all new brakes, so this one did, and it's really nice. So stay tuned, you won't want to miss it. And if you're interested in it, please send me a direct message. We can discuss price, payment, all that stuff. So it's available, guys. 1974 orange Poptop Westfalia.